Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language appearance on CapCut apps. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut apps on my phone and you can see my current language appearance is English. So all of these settings, all of the menu is on English and I want to change it. So if you want to do the same, just follow these steps. So first you can just go to the gear icon at the top right corner, tap on that to go to the CapCut settings, and there will be this app language that you can select. So there are lots of languages options that you can choose. For example, I'm going to change it into Bahasa Indonesia. So just click on the option, click on that, and the CapCut will restarting, and you can see now the menu is now changing into the language that I chose before. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.